Hello my friends, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy. This is the new Seestar S30 Smart Telescope. These are the specs for this telescope. It has starlight camera sensor, that is, it has a Sony IMX 662 Starvis 2 with latest technology. It has a dual lens, that is a telephoto and wide angle lens with an aperture of 30 millimeters and a focal length of 150 millimeters. Weight is 1.65 kilograms. It has an internal rechargeable battery that lasts for up to 6 hours. Internal memory storage is 64 gigabytes. It has 3 versatile shooting modes: stargazing, scenery, and solar system. You can auto track objects and also auto track or auto capture with photos and videos the sun and the moon. The resolution is 1920 by 1080 with MP4 and AVI format. The smart telescope is controlled by a phone app. So I'm going to turn on the unit right now, and then I'm going to use an app in order to control the telescope.
Powering on, ready to connect.
So now I'm using the app in order to connect the phone to the telescope. So right now it's connected, so I can have access to all the functions of this telescope. Now I'm opening the unit's arm, which is this thing over here. So the arm is now fully extended. And as you can see, it has 2 lenses. This one here, it's kind of black and difficult to see, but this one here is the telephoto lens, and this little one on top is the wide angle lens. The unit also has a solar filter that you attach magnetically to the telephoto lens. I'll show you that. This is the solar photo filter, not a lens, a filter. So just like that, it is attached magnetically to the unit, and you have to use this solar filter whenever you want to capture photos or videos of the sun. If you don't use this filter, you can damage the sensor, so you have to be very careful to always use this filter when pointing the unit directly to the sun. In my opinion, this smart telescope, the Seestar S30, is really incredible. I really like it. It is extremely easy to use with the phone app. It captures the sun really easy. It has a star or sky atlas. It's like a memory, so you can access all the astronomy functions to capture stars, galaxies, nebulas, and all kinds of things. Like I said, it is a very easy unit to operate. It has the latest technology, and the clarity and resolution of the images, be it photos or videos, is really amazing. So hands up for this unit, the Seestar S30. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Cheers from Australia.
Shutting down.